Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. This goat meat curry sauce is directly from my kitchen to yours. So to start, I added in vegetable herb and I added my pre-marinated goat meat. I marinated my goat meat with onions, scotch bonnet pepper, and a bit of seasoning, and left in the fridge for 6 hours to marinate. Full ingredient list will be in the description. And I covered it and allowed it to cook for a few minutes till the juice of the goat meat is out. Please don't add water at this point. Don't add water. Just let the juice come out. Then I added in seasoning cubes. More seasoning cubes to just elevate the flavor. You could skip this step if you feel like the seasoning cube you used to marinate the goat meat is enough. And I added grounded green bell peppers to give it an extra kick. After then, I just stirred it, and I went in with my bell peppers, red, green, and yellow bell peppers that I had previously diced, and I went in with my carrots, followed by my potatoes, Irish potatoes. Just add everything, then stir it and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Just allow it simmer for a few minutes. I love this recipe so much because it's so beautiful. Like when you see the vegetables popping up, it's so beautiful to behold. And the interesting part of it is that it tastes as good as it looks. Then I added in salt and more seasoning cube. One of the beautiful things about this goat meat curry sauce is that is in my recipe book From Our Kitchen to Yours. Yeah, my From Our Kitchen to Yours has 25 different sauces that you can pair with yam, rice, potatoes, pasta. Every Nigerian staple that you can think of, it has the sauce that you can pair with it. So you could grab your copy now. Check the description. I'll drop the link to buy the book in the description box below. So yeah, get your copy now. And I also added sazon seasoning to just add a bit of more flavor, but you could skip the sazon entirely if you like. So just stir it and allow it to cook till the Irish potato is soft, and that's it. Don't forget to always spread love through food. Bye.